I'm going to go through the first 15 steps of pi. Okay, and you're going to end up here, at the 0, in the 7th dimension column of nothing. The only 0 in the column of nothing that weighs a ton, apparently. Anyways, how come I end up where I started? Because I started with nothing. It's little 1 by 2. Okay, 15 steps of pi, you end up here. I'll show you how. What is pi? 3 is the 3 dots starting above the M. You are starting kind of here. You want to go to here. You want to make this 1 by 3, your little third dimensional paradigm. But you got to go the most complicated way possible. How come I end up where I started? How come I end up where I went wrong? Okay, so these 3 and 3. The dot is the dot over here. That's this lonely guy over here. And because we know 0 is a 1, the 1 is the dot beside it. Won't take my eyes off the ball again. You reel me out, then you cut the string. Okay, 3.1. Now these 4, or 13. 4 is 13 of the 4 dots down the middle, okay? The 1 is the bottom left 1 by 4. Now we just figured out a few stuff, 4 things, let's say. Starting from 64, 36 to 1. So, in order to encompass this, we got to finish this off. We didn't account for some stuff here and whatnot. So, this right here is the 1. Okay, and starting from here, if you go 5 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you end up here. 5 are the 5 steps it takes to reach Ganymede, the last moon of Jupiter, or the 33rd thing created. The moon of Jupiter, boom, boom, boom. Ganymede. It is the 6th step completed, where you complete the seed, it seems. Okay, value of 5. 5 and 6 is 30 for perfection, and 6 and 5 is your 11. Looks like 2 0x1s. But if you looked at an 11 from a certain point of view, I'm pretty sure you can make it look like a 1 by 2. You reel me out and then you cut the string. But anyway, I digress. So, alright. Then we start to evolve, okay? We're starting here, okay? And we're gonna go 9. 9 are the 9 steps it takes to get to Demois, the 42nd thing created, a moon of Mars, value of 91. So what we're going to do from here is we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? That value is 91. And the 2 are the 2 steps it needs to get to the Sun, the 44th thing created. So either you can go this way, or you can go this way, I don't really care, but you end up here at the Sun, value of 6. Used to be alright. What happened? Did the cat get your tongue? And then 6 steps takes you onto the wormhole, starting from the moon, 3 steps away, and 3 steps down the wormhole until Io, the first moon of Jupiter, the value of 76, the 36th thing created, or now the 48th thing created, because the moon is the last thing created. So here we go, we're going to step through it. So we're at the 44th thing created, 45th, 46th, 47th, the moon, okay? And then we're going to go 48, so that was 3, sorry, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And since we land here, this is Io. So since this is the 47th thing created, maybe this is the 48th thing created is all I mean. Okay? That's all I mean here. Now moving on. So 3.1415926 has us arriving at Io again. So 5 steps away takes... No, we're not talking about steps anymore. 5. We are looking at cell values now. Starting from the center of the matrix, we keep on the wormhole's path. Okay, so we're starting at the 76, and we need a 5. Okay, where a 5 is going to be a 13 and 1, because 1 and 1, 3 is 5. Simple as that. 3 are the values of 1, 1, 15 from the 69. So we're going to be starting here, and we're going to be going into the 2 by 2, okay? We're going into the 2 by 2. So we're going to do 6 and 5 is 15. So we're going to go 1, 1, 1. Okay, 1, 1, 1 from the 69. And the 5 is simply the 5 that's left over for your 5, 3, 5 of pi. Used to be alright. What happened? Etc. Okay, you're going to be starting here. You're going to go 1, 1, 1, and there's your 5. 5, 3, 5. For whatever. Now your 897 of pi would conversely be the 1169, so it shows you the same thing here. It's like the 1169, but it's kind of confirming it, because your 116 is your 8, because we don't break this down, and then we're left over with a 9, and then your 7 would be the value of the 1 by 2 leading left down the top 1 by 9 row of zeros. So it's going to be going this way, it's going to be going that way. Okay. 15 steps, then I should drive. So, the way I think about it, the 7 counts because you have a 0 and a 69 going from here. Okay? Your 0 is a circled 1. Your 69 and your 9's cancel, okay? So if your 9's are going to cancel, because 6 and 9 is 5, and 5 plus 1 is 6, it's like the 9 wasn't even there. So let's cancel the 9, let's cancel the circle, pop the bubbles. 7. So, okay, we've done this. Three 3.1415 2 6 5 3 5 8 9 7 Interesting, huh? You reel me out and you cut the string. I guess you gotta make the roots and the leaves before you actually make the flower, right? Holy ghost. So after these 15 steps, what I see, okay, basically are the root systems of a plant. I see the leaf and the petals, okay? I see the stem forming what will be the center of the flower. But it needs to go upwards. But it is going in the right direction. And I can't help but think of, if this is the 5th column, there would be 4 left over. And the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse, and the Holy Ghost. Anyways, you know, little crucifix here, and Daisy here. I find this all rather interesting. Cheers.